In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a free gift to your Shopify store. Offering a free gift can be a fantastic way to boost sales, encourage customer loyalty, and enhance the shopping experience for your customers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set this up on your Shopify platform. First, let's start by heading over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a series of options. What you want to do is locate and click on the Discounts tab. This is where all magic related to discounts and promotional offers happens. Get comfortable here as this will be your main workplace for this task. Once you're in the discount section, you'll see various options related to discounts you've previously set up, if any. To create a brand new offer, look towards the top right corner for the Create Discount button. Yep, that's the one you want to click. This brings us to the exciting part. Here, you will find a range of discount types to choose from. To proceed with adding a free gift, select Buy X, Get Y. This option allows you to set up offers where customers can buy a certain number of items and get an additional item, or in our case, a free gift. Click on it to continue. Now, let's move on to the configuration part, where you set the specific parameters for your offer. After you select Buy X, Get Y, look for the Customer Gets option. This is where you'll start defining what your customers will receive as part of this promotion. Make sure you click and review it thoroughly. Following that, you'll need to specify the quantity. Here, you determine how many items your customers need to purchase to qualify for the free gift. For instance, you might offer a free gift with a purchase of 2 or more items. Continuing on, the next field you want to turn your attention to is Any Items From. This section will let you decide if the free gift applies to any purchase or only to specific product categories. Choose wisely here based on the promotion intention of your store. Don't forget the eligibility section. This enables you to define who can receive this offer. It can be all customers, or perhaps you want to limit it to only those who are part of a loyalty program. Let's not forget combinations. Here you can specify whether customers can combine this promotion with other discounts. This is particularly handy if you want to create an exclusive offer or stackable promotions. Lastly, click on Active Dates. This dictates the time frame when your offer will be available, providing you with a chance to promote it accordingly. Choose a start and end date that aligns with any upcoming sales events or promotional periods. And there you have it. With these steps, you're set to entice your customers with exciting free gifts, enhancing their shopping experience and boosting your sales. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps you in growing your Shopify store successfully.